Say hello to my little friend, Bugzooka. Stick around for the end. We're going to talk about something else too. About 10 years ago, my daughters gave me this tool called a Bugzooka. This handy tool is from a company called Trimax. I think the girls bought it on Amazon. This tool uses a compressed bellows design that allows you to safely and humanely capture the bug and then dispose of it outside. Here in Missouri, we have an insect called a stink bug. Have you ever seen these guys? To me, they're just a nuisance, but to apple farmers and hazelnut farmers, this invasive species is devastating. This tool works exactly as it's designed and has for more than a decade in my house. If you find one in your home, the last thing you want to do is to squish it or even to touch it. Because you see, these things release a foul-smelling substance that you can't easily get off your hands. The other reason not to squish it or to touch it is that when they release this substance, other stink bugs flock to it. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, it would really help us out if you would like and subscribe. Hey, and if you could tell a friend, that's a bonus. Speaking of a bonus, here's something I researched heavily online. This thing is very heavy duty. You could see it's on wheels. It organizes all of my lawn and garden equipment. I've been through every type of storage solution you could think of, and this one is by far the best. I'll put a link down in the bottom so that you can find it. Thanks everybody. Here at Midwest Mentors, we want to share all the mistakes that we've made so you don't have to make them too. Thanks everybody. God bless.
This is all we get. I'm good to go. Yeah.